Hello, friends. I have an unboxing from Twilight Garden Wax, and it's been 2 months maybe since I ordered from them because they had gone, after Christmas, their Christmas sales. They've gone on a brief hiatus. So I'm excited to see what I got, and it's a lot smaller box than I'm used to, which means I ordered less. So let's see what's in the box. Oh snap! Oh snap! Look at the candy. My favorite. Here is the card. So what she has decided to do now is she's not doing restocks. She's just stocking her store as she is able to. So when you go to her site, what you see is what you get, and it's going to be a lot of cool stuff there, but it's not going to be like a big announcement of restock. All right, so again, as usual, information on how to use and care for your wax. My invoice, I'm sure. Oh my gosh, I just love Haribo's. I really do. That's like my favorite candy. And here we are with the Haribo's. Delicious. Did I order those? Yes, I guess I did. All right. Oh, these are huge. These are 5 golden rings, I believe. These were like, she had a lot of stuff on her site that was new. Well, I'm sorry, some stuff on her site that was new, and then some stuff that was like Christmas stuff that were on sale. So I got the 5 golden rings because I hadn't gotten it in my previous orders. And I can't wait to try them. I saw somebody post that their 5 golden rings recently, and I'm like, oh, I didn't get that one. So as soon as she restocked her website, I went and got it. And I got these because these smell amazing. Let It Snow. I loved these. So I got a couple of these. My Twilight Garden wax box is getting a little empty. So this is, again, Let It Snow. So I'm refilling my Twilight Garden wax box. But I probably should have ordered more because look at that. So little. This is beautiful. Look at that. I don't even know how she brings herself to chop these. It's probably just the most beautiful big sheet of gorgeousness, and then she has to chop it up to give it to us. That's beautiful. And this is called Kiss Me. Well, I didn't tell you what those were, but this is cherry, vanilla, and a hint of grape, which I love grape. These are scented in spruce, woods, vanilla, rum, maple, lemon, fruits, spices, and mint. And I might throw one in my warmer tonight in my bedroom as I fall asleep. I'll be smelling something nice because these are well cured because these were Christmas, so November 24th. So then I have this one, which I think yeah, it's a I was gonna say it's a bakery scent. I didn't care though, because I mean, as you guys probably know, if you've been following me anyway for any amount of time, you know that I'm not a bakery scent girl. But look at this. It's massive. It's beautiful. Look at those colors. And I don't hate sugar cookies, and I like pink sugar, so I figured let's see what it's about. It is beautiful. I have some stuff from Halloween from hers that I can't even use, so who am I kidding? I wonder what this is. What do you think it is? It is Fruit Loops, one of my favorite scents of all time from any maker. Fruit Loops does not always smell the same maker to maker, but for some reason I always love it, regardless who makes it. Love it. And so here it is, Fruit Loops. She had the one, I don't know if you guys recall, where she had that one that actually had like a little spoon. It looked like a cereal bowl. It was so cute. All right, this next one, look how cute. I'm allergic to bees, so maybe I can't use this one. All right, this one is Be Mine. How cute. Peach, honey, berry, pineapple, spices, tobacco, florals, woods, tonka, and amber. Oh, did I tell you the scent profile of this one? I don't think I did. I don't know why I can't keep my hands on this one. champagne nectarine and black honey. This is another one that I enjoyed over Christmas. Besides, they were freaking adorable. Nah, yes, they were. Sexy Santa, citrus florals, vetiver woods, caramelly, pipe tobacco, and spruce needles. I can't even read right now. And then this one here is called Perfect Match, black raspberry vanilla. I'm trying to get what this is. So I guess there's a color inside. And whoever, oh, that's so freaking cute. I didn't even realize that when I got it. I just got it because I thought, I love these little cup thingies. And I thought this was really pretty. And I also like the scent. I'm sorry, I got distracted again. So I guess this is color filled, and it tells you who your perfect match is based on when it melts. You know, I'm starting to make some wax melts, and I'm actually trying to figure out how they do the center thingy. Not that I'm really trying to sell any wax melts. I just want them for myself, but I still would like to see color pour out of the center. So my husband is a Taurus, and I love him so freaking much. So hopefully I got green. If not, I'll need to let him go and go pick out my true perfect match, because Twilight Garden Wax said so. All right, and then we have a few samples here. We have Watermelon Lemonade Laundry. I do love, focus. I do love the laundry scents that she does. We have Breeze and Bubbles. What's up with the focusing here? Breeze and Bubbles. And, oh, they're all shaped like little hearts. Cute. This one is Black Raspberry Patchouli. Oh, look how pretty it is. I'm a glitter shimmer girl. This is full of glitter. All right, so what did we have again? We had the little samples. I don't even know what I did with them already. Turn around, buddy. What's up with you? All right. There's the other sample. And then we had the Sexy Santa. We had Be Mine. We had pink sugar cookies. We had 2 of the Let It Snow, which look like this. They're freaking gorgeous. Just look at the freaking flowers. Kiss Me. 5 golden rings. I had to make sure. 5 golden rings. And then this freaking perfect match was just freaking brilliant. It's brilliant. And then finally, the Fruit Loops. I should have got more of this. All right. And then, of course, the amazing Conde. Yeah, and so that's it from Twilight Garden Wax. And thank you so much for the stuff, Denise, as usual. Amazing stuff. And I will talk to you guys on the next one.